Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. To the client, Babita Sarkar, the judge appeared like a god, since he cancelled the appointment of a minister's daughter, an illegal appointment of a minister's daughter. This happened in the state of West Bengal. So, another teachers recruitment scam case we are going to discuss. Right? In the case of Babita Sarkar versus the state of West Bengal in WP, that is writ appeal number 5406 by 2022, decided on 25/2022, just day before yesterday. Calcutta High Court Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay ordered that the minister, the name is some Adhikari, Pinaki Adhikari, he is a minister, and his daughter by name Ankita Adhikari, she shall not be treated as a teacher. That means hitherto she worked as a teacher for about 41 months. But from today onward, that is 25/2020 onwards, she will not be treated as a teacher. Neither she nor any person on her behalf should visit the so-called Service Commission School and claim that she is the teacher. So that is the that is the furiosity of the order you have to understand. So in a nutshell, please remember I tell you, there were vacancies for the assistant teacher's post, 381 posts. 381, actually number are 500 or so, 381 posts. So they have been recruited illegally, backdoor methods, by using proxy method. One such case is this Adhikari, Ankita Adhikari. She was also appointed as a teacher in the back door on 24/12/2018, and for 41 months she worked as a teacher, almost up to 5th month, 41 months are over. Now her post has been ousted. Why? Actually, one Babita Sarkar, she approached the Honorable High Court of Calcutta and filed a petition that she was not selected for the teacher's post. Even though she got rank number 1, her score is 77, her rank is number 1, whereas Ankita got 61 marks. There is a difference of 16 marks, and she was in the lower list, member of the list, but she was appointed, while the appointment of Babita Sarkar was totally neglected or rejected. Then she approached the court. Then the court called for the records, and Director of 2nd UP, that is public service people, they were also summoned. Ultimately, it came to light there is a scam in the teachers' recruitment. Therefore, the court ordered CBI investigation to be taken up. So for this, the minister, Mr. Adhikari, he has to attend, but he failed to attend, saying that he was located in Kuch Bihar. So normally, the politicians' words, they will be saying that they have got a meeting. Not only this man, not only Adhikari, even Amit Shah case, Justice Loya death case, it is a strong, when Mr. Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, was in Bombay, the lawyer represented that he was attending meeting at some other place. On that day, somehow incidentally, Judge Loya, he has seen the TV and found Amit Shah addressing the gathering. Then he chided the advocate like anything. Such things do happen. Whatever it is, he says that he is in another place. He says that he is in Kuch Bihar, and he did not appear. Ultimately, the court, same Banerjee, Abhijit Gangopadhyay, he has to give a specific order that on so-and-so date, at so-and-so time, he has to appear before the CBI and he has to cooperate with the investigation. When such is the case, so now, even though the court ordered the removal of the name of Ankita Adhikari, the service commission, secretary of the service commission, he was not bold enough. Ultimately, the court has to give the directions. That's why it has written in pungent words that this woman shall not be treated as a teacher as recommended by the so-called West Bengal School Service Commission. So this is the seriousness. So ultimately, the judgment, outcome of the judgment, Babita Sarkar stated, truth and the so-called morality has triumphed. There is a victory for the truth. Judge is like a god to me. That is her comment, right? Now, the CBI registered a case under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, cheating, and 120B, that is a criminal conspiracy. So, now her post, Adhikari's post has gone. Of course, the opposition parties immediately started that her father, Mr. Adhikari, his name is also Adhikari, Paniki Adhikari something, I am not able to recollect his name. So he should resign for the job. Normally, it is a political issue, let us not bother. Now, I am being reminded of another issue which is surfaced maybe in the year 2000. If I am sure, it is in 2000. O.P. Chautala, Om Prakash Chautala and his son, both of them were convicted in a particular case. It is a very famous, ill-famous case called as the teachers recruitment scam. It happened in the year, if I am correct, it is maybe 2000 or 2001. I think about 3,206 junior basic teachers, DBT at the time, they were recruited. Actually, what happened is the selection was very good. The selection committee selected the people and they brought the list. But Chautala said, you keep the list there, come on, you take the list. That's the list recommended by Chautala. Give them posting, that's all. Poor secretary could not do anything. He has given the list, but these people keep quiet? They filed writ petitions before the court. Same thing happened, and ultimately they were convicted for 10 years. Incidentally, in the meantime, the elections came. Then the advocate on behalf of Chautala, he requested that Chautala may be released on medical grounds. And incidentally, I remember the judge said, suppose, no doubt, if Chautala is not willing to contest the elections as CM, so we are ready to forego the so-called conviction period. We will give him the so-called some sanction. But they did not agree. Politicians, వాళ్ళు సీఎంగా పోటీ 80 ఏళ్ళు వచ్చి కర్ర పోటీ వచ్చినా సరే సీఎం పోస్ట్ అంటే పరిగెత్తుతారు తప్పితే మిగతా అప్పుడేమో హెల్త్ బాగాలేదని చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. ఇలాంటప్పుడు మాత్రం మేము ఎలక్షన్కి వెళ్తామని చెప్పి అంటుంటారు. అదే అప్పుడు జోక్ చేశారు జడ్జి గారు, ఏమంటే మీ వాడికి ఇన్ని బాగాలేదు అంటున్నారు కదా, రేపొద్దున ఎలక్షన్లో కంటెస్ట్ చేయకుండా మానుకుంటానంటే సో శిక్ష రివిజన్ చేద్దాం అన్నాడు. ఎందుకు ఒప్పుకుంటారు? అయ్యే పని కాదు. అనదర్ టీచర్ స్కామ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఇన్ హర్యానా. సో కాబట్టి పంజాబ్లో కేసు, అలాగే వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్ దగ్గరలో దూరం ఉంటాయి. సో ఇలాంటి టీచర్స్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ స్కామ్ అనేది చాలా సీరియస్ ఇష్యూ. ఇట్ హెస్ టు బి కర్టైల్డ్ విత్ ఐరన్ హ్యాండ్స్. అదర్వైజ్ ఎందుకంటే టీచర్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దెమ్. మీరు చూడండి, ఏ వృత్తిలో ఉన్నారైనా సరే, ఈవెన్ ది కలెక్టర్ అయినా లేకపోతే సీఎం మినిస్టర్ అయినా సరే, వాళ్ళ గురువు గారు టీచర్ని చూస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా నమస్కారం పెడతాడు. మిగతా ఎవరికి ప్రివిలేజ్ ఉండదు. సో అటువంటి టీచర్స్ని ఇలా దొడిదారి రిక్రూట్మెంట్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా? వెరీ గుడ్ లెసన్ టు ది West Bengal government, to the minister. Of course, if you take it personal, to that Ankita Adhikari. Anyway, truth always triumphs. That is the motto of this case. Thank you very much.